Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel PP, PPT Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about insert menu of PowerPoint. So now we will hit an insert menu, and the first option you see here is new slide. So by clicking on this section, we will find more options of this slide. You can select one of those. So we click here, and the first slide option is title, and second is click add to text about title. So the next option is table. You can add table for your project, and suppose now we will add table, and how many rows you need to make a table. So you can make a table for your project. So now you can add a title or something, some digits on this: 1 2 3 4. Like this you can add some words on the table rows and column. And the next option is picture. You can add picture in your slide. So now we will hit it and add a picture from our gallery. So this is our picture. You can place it where you want. So the next option is online picture. You can drag online picture or download online picture from online picture. Now you can select Bing search Bing and browse. So you can drag online picture from search engines. So the next is screenshot. You can take a screenshot of this interface and photo album. You can create a new photo album for your creation. And now you can add shapes in your slides. Suppose we select circle, and now we drag it, and it so we can drag it up to increase the size of circle, and you can drag it down to decrease the size of circle. So this is our insert shape insert. Smart art, you can add a smart art. Firstly we take new slide, and now we will click on smart art, and you can add a smart art from this section. And now you can type any word from these paragraphs, these styles. Suppose you can write it, and you can write B or C. And the next option is chart. So you can add a chart on here. You can add a chart and click OK. So our chart is ready. Here when you open a chart, here a sheet of Excel is shown. So if you still did not subscribe my channel PPT, I request you to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can't miss the upcoming videos. Bye bye.